In today's video, we'll be going through our XKCHROME app-controlled car kits. Stay tuned. We offer 4 levels of our app-controlled car kits: our mini kit, our standard kit, our advanced kit, and our pro kit. The mini kit is perfect for a car interior. The standard kit is strictly underglow on the vehicle. The advanced kit is interior and underglow on the vehicle. Our pro kit is for the interior, underglow, and it includes some additional lighting for lighting up the wheel wells. Our car kits are comprised of 3 main components. We have 10-inch flex strips, we've got the 24-inch rigid tubes, and then we have 36-inch flex strips. Our mini kit includes 6 of these 10-inch flex strips for the interior. Our standard underglow kit includes 8 of these 24-inch rigid tubes. The advanced kit is a combination of the mini and the standard kit, so it includes 6 of the 10-inch flex strips and 8 of the 24-inch rigid tubes. And then our pro kit takes the advanced kit and it just adds in 4 of these 36-inch flex strips. Now I have one of our XKCHROME standard car kits here, so we can open up the box and see what's inside. So we have our lighting components included in the box, mounting instructions, an XKGLOW sticker, our XKCHROME controller, the power wiring harness to go to the battery, mounting clips and accessories, and then all of the extension wire needed. Installation on all of our kits is super simple. There's no cutting or soldering necessary. We give you the power wire harness that has battery terminals to connect directly to 12 volts. There's a DC plug that plugs into the XKCHROME controller, and there's a hard on-off switch. So all you need to do is take the included extension wire, plug it into the XKCHROME controller, plug in the lighting accessory. There are 2 zones coming off of our XKCHROME controller, so in this application, we'll split the zones on the left side and the right side of the car. Our XKCHROME controller also includes a unique function that allows the left or the right side to flash as you turn signal, so this sets that up for that. The whole left or the right side of your vehicle will flash amber when your turn signal is activated. You can also wire in to the brake light, so when the brake is activated, all of the lights on the car glow red. And there's a quick look at our XKCHROME app-controlled car kits. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. We'll see you next time.